The Alliant Energy Center hasn't been home to COVID testing now for more than 6 months, but as Omicron sweeps the country, public health will open the arena to test next week. Naomi Coles is there with what you need to know. Naomi?
There's going to be a few changes from what you might remember from testing here early on in the pandemic. You're not going to be driving up anymore through that one building that you're going to remember. You're going to be walking up on the far side of the arena behind me.
In the last few weeks, we've faced a sort of a perfect storm of factors that have...
The holidays, Omicron, a driving surge. All of them have led to the images of long testing lines you've seen around the county since Christmas. Public Health Madison-Dane County started planning to reopen mass testing nearly 2 months ago.
We started making plans to open large-scale testing somewhere. We didn't know if it would be at Alliant back when Omicron emerged right after Thanksgiving. And it takes a while to put together a large-scale testing center. And we have done it faster than we thought we could and faster than our initial plans called for.
The arena will stay open for testing for as long as it's needed.
Our plan is to keep large-scale testing in the community for as long as there's sustained demand.
And this week only, PHMDC is expanding testing hours at their existing Park Street location to 12-hour days.
We know it's been hard to get a test recently,
with about 20 staff volunteers stepping up.
So it was just a last-minute call to open up 12 hours a day continuously until Alliant Energy could open. And we basically asked for volunteers. Anybody who had previously tested in the last 2 years, we asked if they would come forward and help us staff these shifts.
I'm an analyst on our data team, so typically I'm working with data all day, and it's all hands on deck this week. My colleagues and I are doing what we can to help serve our community during this hopefully temporary surge.
Now, as PCR testing ramps up, and as it seems like we hit a new daily case count, what seems like pretty much every day this week, state officials say they do know that these daily case numbers that they're reporting are likely far higher, and that's thanks to the prevalence right now of at-home rapid testing.